Hi everyone, I'm Carrie Coakley and I'm going to show you how to install the exocad Open Implants library. If you haven't already downloaded our library, you can go to openimplants.com/downloads and you can fill out the form and then you can download the library directly from the website. So once you download, I recommend downloading it directly to your desktop and then go from there. And then I like to work with two different windows open at the same time. It just makes it easier to transfer files. So there's two parts of the exocad library. There's the model creator and then there's the implant. So once you've downloaded the library from our website, you're going to open it up in your computer, find the Dental CAD app, go down to library, and then you're going to go to implant. And you're going to go to the exocad implant. You're going to copy and paste the library. Let's go ahead and do that. And then we're going to copy, and then we're going to go back to the other window. We're going to go to library, I'm going to go to implant, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the library back into the library implant folder. So then you go back. I'm going to go to Model Creator, I'm going to go to Implants, so I got to go back to Model Creator in the other file, open up Implants, select all, copy, and then paste that right back into the other folder, which I'll move over here, into the Model Creator folder, and then Implants, and then paste. And then just to make sure, I'm going to go back and double check and make sure that they were in there. And there we are, Open Implants. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.